How to attract a guy without saying a word. It's all about the art of non-verbal communication, so stay tuned for some exciting insights. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. They say actions speak louder than words, and that's especially true when it comes to attraction. Non-verbal cues can be incredibly powerful in conveying your interest in someone without uttering a single sentence. First things first, confidence is your secret weapon. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and move with purpose. Confidence is irresistibly attractive.